is my first Steeked sweater. It's also my first sweater that I did pockets with. And this sweater is called Throughstone by Bristol Ivory. And I found it on Craftsy. It was a Craftsy class for this very purpose of learning how to steek the sweater. And I am so pleased with this cardigan and how it turned out. The main color, the brown colorway that you see, is a yarn that I dyed myself, and the other colors were just little bits and pieces from my stash that I was able to work up. But I love that your swatches are your insides of your pockets, so that was super fun. And so let's get to cutting this. Yikes. Oh, so I chose to mark where the steeked edges were, and then I sewed down in between where you can see the green lines of thread that I used to mark on either side of where I'm cutting. So, and I did 2 passes, I believe, with my sewing machine, and you can find lots of tutorials about how to do that. I can't remember for sure, but I think the pattern actually wanted me to do the crochet chain version, but I tried to do that and I really struggled doing it, so I ultimately decided to use my sewing machine, and here I am. I'm almost to cut through. I was so nervous to do it, but I did it and it turned out great. So now I'm going to show you a few shots of me wearing it. And don't be afraid to try this sometime yourself. I forgot to mention that my buttons are thrifted buttons from Big Jar, and I just picked out a bunch of blue ones that sort of matched, but they don't all match, and I just love the character it brings to it, and it is so much fun. I hope you enjoyed seeing me steek my first sweater. Thanks for watching.